Well, campaigning has gathered momentum with the first phase of Lok Sabha polls just days away. Prime Minister traversed around the country on a campaign trail trying to woo the voters, while opposition parties were also not far behind in canvassing for their candidates.
With polling just a few days away for the first phase of India's general elections, parties are in full campaign mode and intensifying their efforts to secure victory in the upcoming elections. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a public meeting in North India's Pilibhit. Addressing the gathering, Prime Minister extended Navratri greetings and slammed India lines, disrespecting the belief of the entire nation.
जिस शक्ति के आगे हम शीश झुकाते हैं, उस शक्ति को उखाड़ फेंकने की बात ये कांग्रेस के नेता कर रहे हैं.
Later in the day, Prime Minister Modi held a public rally in central India's Balaghat. In the evening, Prime Minister also conducted roadshow in South India's Chennai and addressed a public meeting in Vellore Lok Sabha constituency. Meanwhile, India's Home Minister and senior BJP leader Amit Shah held a public rally in Assam on Tuesday.
मैं राहुल बाबा को कहना चाहता हूं, पूछना चाहता हूं कि आपने क्या किया था असम के साथ. आपकी दादी के समय से असम को अन्याय किया गया. हजारों युवा अशांति की राह पर चले, मारे गए, सैकड़ों युवा मारे गए, हजारों युवा मारे गए. ये कांग्रेस पार्टी का पाप था.
The northeastern state of Arunachal Pradesh is also witnessing hectic political events in run-up to the polls. While addressing a gathering at a public rally in Namsai on Tuesday, senior BJP leader and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh raised concerns regarding China's recent actions. Moving to developments in the opposition camp, the Mahavikas Aghadi, the opposition coalition in Maharashtra, announced its seat-sharing arrangement on Tuesday. As per the pact, the Shiv Sena Uddhav faction will contest elections on 21 Lok Sabha seats, the Congress on 17 seats and Sharad Pawar's NCP on 10 seats in the state. Congress leader Sachin Pilot held a poll rally in Pratapgarh in Rajasthan and appealed to the people to vote for the Congress.
कोई भाषण दे, जज्बाती बात बोले, तेरे मेरे की बात करे, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. सिद्धांत का, विचारधारा का, 5 साल के भविष्य का. और आप लोगों से मैंने पहली वादा ले लिया. पिछली बार 11 लाख का हमारा कम था मामला, 11,000 का. इस बार 22,000 जिताना पड़ेगा.
On the other hand, allies of the India Alliance are campaigning together at some places. While in some states, due to no seat-sharing arrangement among allies, the parties are in the fray separately.
बंगाल की जो मुद्दा है, जो घोटाला बंगाल में पाए गए हैं, ये घोटाला कोर्ट की फैसला की बदौलत आम लोगों के सामने उजागर हुए हैं.
On some good news aimed at an inclusive election, senior citizens and specially abled people now have the option to cast their votes from the comfort of their homes for the Lok Sabha election 2024. The polling stations will be movable to their homes along with polling officers, presiding officers, representatives from all the candidates and security officers. He stated that the Election Commission of India has the motto that every vote matters. Bureau Report, DD India.